What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be making like some car noises. First, I want you to like, subscribe, please. All right, GTR. This is like hand move. It's like when I do like when they're going by. You know, like when they go really fast, they're like. All right, that's the end of the GTR. What the hell, cat? I don't know if I'm gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do Lamborghini. That was good. Then I could do I'll do a race car. Let me do a dirt bike. That was good. All right, let's do a race car. Yeah, that was good. Sorry, guys, I'm watching a movie. So next we could do, what do you think? Write in the comments if you want. Let me do you want me to do an M4? Actually, I don't know how to do a BMW M4. Alright, let's do a Hellcat. Hellcat. Then we could do Infinity. No, I'll do Tokyo drifting, like drift. You know those like the little mobiles and then like that. No, the Nissans already. There we go. Alright, then we could do, I'll do a, I'll do twin turbo. All right, we can end off with a Nissan GTR. With twin turbos. Alright, see you guys later. End of the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.